Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thanks so much for joining me. And I have the entire happy crew here, although they both act like they are beyond exhausted. So there's Zizi. How you doing, Z? Tell everybody you're starting to feel better today. Zizi's had a tummy ache if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, but I think she's finally coming around. It's all stemming from her crazy birthday treats. She went a little overboard, right? So now she's mad because she hasn't had any treats. YY is here too. Can you say hi, buddy? There he is. You saying hi? No. Okay, so it's already dark out. It's like 5:30 and it is like pitch black outside. So Wyatt thinks it's night time. Excited because I have a super fun video for you today that ends in giveaway. Yay! Yep. My Glamour Jewelry Box is here, and this is my November collection. I can't wait to see what this is. And huge thank you to Glamour Jewelry Box because they are doing a holiday giveaway, and one of my lucky subscribers will have a chance to win. One of my lucky subscribers will win. One of you will win a free month's subscription. You will win a free collection. Yes, valued at $55. All right, so let's see what this one looks like, and then we'll talk about what you need to do to enter the giveaway. Yay! Love a giveaway. This is their holiday giveaway where you'll get, yeah, like I said, a collection worth $55. So they just recently changed up their monthly collection. If you've already joined Glamour Jewelry Box, you're already grandfathered in, you are golden. No changes for you. If you're new to Glamour Jewelry Box and you'd like to subscribe, it is a jewelry subscription service, and you will get 2 pieces of jewelry every month, and this is a high value jewelry. 2 pieces valued at $55 for $34 a month, and that includes shipping. And the metals you get to choose, you can choose between silver, or gold and rose gold. I like them both. So, all right. You always get, everything comes in, I'm already ripping them out, didn't even show you. Everything always comes inside a little pouch. And you always get a little card that tells you about your collection. So this is the holiday collection, and it says, we are kicking off the holiday season in style. This collection was joyfully created to make you sparkle. These pieces will add that little something extra to your outfit without any effort. Glamour Jewelry Box. I love the Glamour Jewelry Box pieces. I wear them all the time. If you guys catch my What I Wore videos, you'll see me wearing those on a regular basis. Love the pieces. They're so pretty and versatile and go with everything. You also get little cards that tell you about the pieces in your collection. And of course, I do have a code for you if you do want to sign up for Glamour Jewelry Box. If you use my code HAPPY, you will get an additional piece of jewelry in your first box. So instead of getting 2 pieces, you will get 3 pieces, and that extra piece is valued at $25. All right, let me get to my first item here, which looks like a necklace. This looks pretty. Look at that. It has like little pieces that are dangling off of it, little sparkles. Look how pretty those are. I was trying to make sure I could see exactly what they were, like little baguettes hanging off of this. I want to give you a close-up look at this. Can you see those hanging off of there? How pretty is that? So pretty. So some are stationary, I see. See, there's some are stationary and some are dangly. How pretty. It does have an adjustable chain, so you can make it longer or shorter depending on where you want to wear it. Always a good thing. I am going to unbutton one button here so you guys can see the jewelry better. I do have a cami on underneath my sweater, so I'm not getting undressed for you. Look how pretty that is. I like that. Very pretty. All right, and what does this say? It says it's the Hope necklace. The Hope necklace shines with an intricate design, making it just the right statement. A gorgeous necklace for almost any outfit. And the value of this is $30. And it's by the Sophia collection. Okay, what else have I got in here? Ooh, more sparkle. I love sparkle for the holidays. These are earrings. They're called the Love earrings. They're valued at $28. Look how pretty those are. Very pretty. Nice sparkle, little square stone. Those are pretty. How pretty are these? They just have a little bit of drop, which I really like. And just big enough to make a statement without being too loud, right? Now you can see both pieces. So pretty. What do you think? So this says, these earrings are classic and shine beautifully. The Love earrings are a simple set of dangle studs, an effortless pick when you're getting ready for the day or an evening out. By Ashland Avenue. They're called the Love earring. That's both pieces. This is valued a little bit more than the $55. Such pretty easy pieces that really do go with everything from the casual to the dressy. Love them. All right. So how do you get a chance to win your very own Glamour Jewelry Box set? It's so easy. First, make sure you're a subscriber to my channel. If you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, please do hit that subscribe button now. Next, I'm going to put a link to a form down below. You need to click that link and fill out the form. I believe the second question is going to ask you what YouTube channel, so make sure you pick Little Box of Happy, and that's it. So this giveaway is open until December 10th. So you have until then to hit that subscribe button and fill out that form and choose Little Box of Happy. So easy, right? I will announce the winner on my channel, so I will put the winner's name at the top of the comments, and I will also try to find their name. If they left a comment, I will try to respond to their comment. If they haven't, I'll just put the winner at the top of my comments once I know who it is. Glamour Jewelry Box is going to be picking that winner from those forms. Okay? All right, guys, I'm so excited. I love a giveaway. Yay! All right, so thank you to Glamour Jewelry Box for providing this giveaway to one of my awesome subscribers. So happy to be able to give this to you guys. It's so awesome right before the holidays. In case you would like to subscribe to Glamour Jewelry Box or do this as a gift for somebody, don't forget I do have that code for you. So if you click the link down below and you use my code HAPPY, you will get an extra piece of jewelry valued at $25 on your first box. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. I so appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys thought about this set. I think it's so pretty. Classic and yet so versatile to go with so many outfits. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button if you did, and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.